Hi there. Welcome to Chapter 2 of Encyclopedia's English in 15-minute series. In this video, we will practice on the definite article, the. Insert the if necessary in the following sentences. Dash youngest boy has just started going to dash school, dash eldest boy is at dash college. The youngest boy has just started going to school, the eldest boy is at college. She lives on dash top floor of an old house. When dash wind blows, all dash windows rattle. She lives on the top floor of an old house. When the wind blows, all the windows rattle. Dash darkness doesn't worry dash cats can see in dash dark. Darkness doesn't worry cats can see in the dark. My little boys say that they want to be dash spaceman, but most of them will probably end up in dash less dramatic jobs. My little boys say that they want to be spaceman, but most of them will probably end up in less dramatic jobs. Do you know dash time? Yes, dash clock in dash hall has just struck 9. Then it isn't dash time to go yet. Do you know the time? Yes, the clock in the hall has just struck 9. Then it isn't time to go yet. He was sent to dash prison for dash 6 months for dash shoplifting. When dash 6 months are over he'll be released, dash difficulty then will be to find dash work. Do you go to dash prison to visit him? He was sent to prison for 6 months for shoplifting. When the 6 months are over he'll be released, the difficulty then will be to find work. Do you go to the prison to visit him? I went to dash school to talk to dash headmistress. I persuaded her to let Anne give up dash gymnastics and take dash ballet lessons instead. I went to the school to talk to the headmistress. I persuaded her to let Anne give up gymnastics and take ballet lessons instead. Dash ballet isn't much use for dash girls, it is much better to be able to play dash piano. Ballet isn't much use for girls, it is much better to be able to play the piano. I am on dash night duty. When you go to dash bed, I go to dash work. I am on night duty. When you go to bed, I go to work. Peter's at dash office but you could get him on dash phone. There's a telephone box just round dash corner. Peter's at the office but you could get him on the phone. There's a telephone box just round the corner. He got bronchitis and was taken to dash hospital. I expect they'll send him home at dash end of dash week. Have you rung dash hospital to ask how he is? He got bronchitis and was taken to hospital. I expect they'll send him home at the end of the week. Have you rung the hospital to ask how he is? Anne's habit of riding a motorcycle up and down dash road early in dash morning annoyed dash neighbors and in dash end they took her to dash court. Anne's habit of riding a motorcycle up and down the road early in the morning annoyed the neighbors and in the end they took her to court. He first went to dash sea in a Swedish ship, so as well as learning dash navigation he had to learn dash Swedish. He first went to sea in a Swedish ship, so as well as learning navigation he had to learn Swedish. Dash family hotels are dash hotels which welcome dash parents and dash children. Family hotels are hotels which welcome parents and children. On dash Sundays my father stays in dash bed till 10 o'clock, reading dash Sunday papers. On Sundays my father stays in bed till 10 o'clock, reading the Sunday papers. Then he gets up, puts on dash old clothes, has dash breakfast and starts dash work in dash garden. Then he gets up, puts on old clothes, has breakfast and starts work in the garden. My mother goes to dash church in dash morning, and in dash afternoon goes to visit dash friends. My mother goes to church in the morning, and in the afternoon goes to visit friends. Like many women, she loves dash tea parties and dash gossip. Like many women, she loves tea parties and gossip. My parents have cold meat and dash salad for dash supper, dash winter and dash summer. My parents have cold meat and salad for supper, winter and summer. During dash meal he talks about dash garden and she tells him dash village gossip. During the meal he talks about the garden and she tells him the village gossip. We have a very good train service from here to dash city center and most people go to dash work by train. You can go by dash bus too, of course, but you can't get a season ticket on dash bus. We have a very good train service from here to the city center and most people go to work by train. You can go by bus too, of course, but you can't get a season ticket on the bus. Dash dead no longer need dash help. We must concern ourselves with dash living. We must build dash houses and dash schools and dash playgrounds. The dead no longer need help. We must concern ourselves with the living. We must build houses and schools and playgrounds. I'd like to see dash Mr. Smith please. Do you mean dash Mr. Smith who works in dash box office or dash other Mr. Smith? I'd like to see Mr. Smith please. Do you mean the Mr. Smith who works in the box office or the other Mr. Smith? Did you come by -air? No, I came by -sea. I had a lovely voyage on Queen Elizabeth II. Did you come by air? No, I came by sea. I had a lovely voyage on the Queen Elizabeth II. Most of stories that people tell about Irish aren't true. Most of the stories that people tell about the Irish aren't true. Married couples with children often rent cottages by seaside for summer holidays. Men hire boats and go for trips along coast. Children spend day on beach and poor mothers spend most of time doing cooking and cleaning. Married couples with children often rent cottages by the seaside for the summer holidays. The men hire boats and go for trips along the coast. The children spend the day on the beach and the poor mothers spend most of the time doing the cooking and cleaning. It's usually safe to walk on sand, but here, when tide is coming in, sand becomes dangerously soft. People have been swallowed up by it. It's usually safe to walk on sand, but here, when the tide is coming in, the sand becomes dangerously soft. People have been swallowed up by it. When Titanic was crossing Atlantic, she struck an iceberg which tore a huge hole in her bow. Captain ordered crew to help passengers into boats. When the Titanic was crossing the Atlantic, she struck an iceberg which tore a huge hole in her bow. The captain ordered the crew to help the passengers into the boats. Everywhere man has cut down forests in order to cultivate ground, or to use wood as fuel or as building material. Everywhere man has cut down forests in order to cultivate the ground, or to use the wood as fuel or as building material. But interference with nature often brings disaster. Tree felling sometimes turns fertile land into a dust bowl. But interference with nature often brings disaster. Tree felling sometimes turns fertile land into a dust bowl. People think that lead is heaviest metal, but gold is heavier. People think that lead is the heaviest metal, but gold is heavier. Our air hostess said, rack is only for light articles. Heavy things such as bottles must be put on floor. Our air hostess said, the rack is only for light articles. Heavy things such as bottles must be put on the floor. Windows are supposed to let in light, but windows of this house are so small that we have to have electric light on all time. Windows are supposed to let in the light, but the windows of this house are so small that we have to have the electric light on all the time. There'll always be a conflict between old and young. Young people want change, but old people want things to stay same. There'll always be a conflict between the old and the young. Young people want change, but old people want things to stay the same. Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. You can fool some of people all time, and all people some of time, but you cannot fool all people all time. You can fool some of the people all the time, and all the people some of the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. So that's it for this lesson. I will be back with a new lesson soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and let me know how do you find the lesson in the comment section. Till then, you take care and have a great day.